Hello everyone, this is Fatmi Ghani coming live on Wellness Wednesday. Like every Wednesday, I talk about wellness without medicine. All those who are seeing me for the first time, my name is Mohammad Fatmi Ghani, founder of Map Your Freedom, where I talk about freedom from disease and financial freedom. Today my topic is mindset, positive mindset. And I'm going to talk about what are the ways that you can have positive mindset. First and foremost is gratitude. Gratitude is everything. If you have the attitude of gratitude, that would definitely have a positive impact on your positive thinking. The other thing is you need to guard your mind from negativity. So if you guard your mind and from inside you are positive, you are thinking positively, that will have definitely again a positive impact. So whatever is coming in, you need to shut it out. And it is sometimes difficult because we are being bombarded nowadays with all kinds of media, which is social media, whether it is television, whether it is radio. And if you look into how these medias are trying to get the news out, most of the news that you are looking at, they are negative news. So you need to, understand that these news are affecting you directly or indirectly. So we have been bombarded with almost 3,000 different types of ads, and those ads are basically talking about something that they would like to sell. The other thing is about the people. Positive people are our life, and these positive people makes a big difference around the people they are with. So if you are with positive people, they will definitely have again a positive impact on you. What you see, what you hear, all that is affecting your mindset. Self-talk is another factor which will have that positive mental mindset as far as you are concerned. So we talk a lot, but we talk to ourselves much more than we talk to others. So we have to again see that what we are talking to ourselves, is it positive? So the positive mindset is linked with a lot of things. It's just not what you are watching, what you are seeing, the things that you are talking to yourself. So you need to have that gratitude, that positivity in order to get that effect which is around you. So whatever you are thinking is what is coming out of the words which are coming out, and words have got an action, and the action has got the habit, and the habit has got the result. So if you're looking at there are some negative result happening, so if you go back, it all starts with your thinking, the way you are visualizing the thing, the way you are thinking about what is going to happen. So the positive mindset definitely has got a positive impact. If you have heard about or seen the movie called The Secret, it talks about the law of attraction. So you attract what basically you think. So it is important for you to think positively and be around the people that is giving a positive vibe. Last but not the least is helping people. Now this is something what I have seen in my personal life since I've been an entrepreneur coach. I've been on the personal development area, and I've seen it has definitely changed my personal life. It has given that happiness, and definitely today the world is in need of people who can help others. The new world is different. In just this 7 months, everything has changed health wise, job wise, business wise. So if you are in a position to help somebody, nothing like it. Changing the lives of others, making the difference in the lives of others is what will give you that positive thoughts, that happiness that you're looking for. So these are the factors which will create a positive mindset inside you, and the benefits that is there of this positive mindset on the health. That's what my topic is, how this positive mindset is going to help you in your good health, longevity. Everybody is looking for a life which is long and which is healthy. Health is wealth. Health is everything. So if you are looking for a better, healthier, longer life, this is where you have to work on. Second thing is the happiness that you get, and that of course will ward off all the diseases, all the stresses which are there in the life. The third thing, which there is a lot of research done, is on depression, and the positive thought definitely has got an impact. The depression reduces, all kinds of mental stress reduces. So it is important that your positive thinking will definitely, if there is somebody who's having depression, and that positive environment and the thoughts and the whatever the person is seeing is gonna help him or her come out of the depression. Last but not the least, this is now the talk of the world, boosting the immune system. Again, research has been done that the positive thought boosts the immune system, and nothing can be better than having a positive thought to ward off or to shut the problem that is right there. It is important for you to work on yourself, boost the immune system, and become healthy. It is important the health that you have, the health of your family. It is important. Everything starts from here, and then rest follows. So that's all for today's edition of Wellness Wednesday. Stay safe, stay healthy, go out only when it is needed. Try to do that social distancing which is going on all around the world, but definitely boost your immune system with positive thinking. If you have any comments you want to give a feedback, please write in the comments below, and I'll be happy to interact with you. Take care and bye.